Every time you send your resume for a job, there's a good chance a robot throws it straight into the trash. You spend hours polishing your resume, adjusting the wording, matching your experience to the job description, making sure everything looks perfect. And even though you're qualified, even though your experience clearly matches the role, you hear absolutely nothing back. Most people assume maybe the competition is just stronger. But the truth is something most job seekers don't realize. Your resume probably never even reached a human. In fact, research suggests that around 70 to 75% of resumes are filtered out automatically before a real person ever sees them, which means your resume didn't get rejected by a recruiter. It got rejected by an algorithm. So how does this actually happen? Why does the system reject so many resumes before a recruiter even opens them? The reason is simple. Recruiters don't manually read every application anymore. For a single job posting, companies can receive hundreds or even thousands of resumes. It would take days for a human to go through all of them. So instead, companies use something called an Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. It's software designed to automatically scan and filter resumes before a recruiter ever looks at them. And these systems eliminate the majority of candidates instantly. A simple way to think about it is this. Imagine Google searching through millions of websites. When you type something into Google, it ranks the pages that best match the query. The pages that match the intent and the keywords rise to the top, while the rest basically disappear. Hiring algorithms work in a very similar way. Your resume is one page among hundreds, and the system ranks candidates based on how closely they match the job description. If your resume matches well, it rises to the top. If it doesn't, it basically disappears. But here's the interesting part. If AI is being used to filter resumes, then we can also use AI to optimize them. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Instead of guessing what recruiters want to see, we can actually extract the exact signals the algorithm is looking for. Then we can rewrite the resume so it clearly matches those signals. When you do this correctly, your resume becomes something that is easy for machines to understand, aligned with the keywords in the job description, rich with measurable data, and optimized to perform well in ATS systems. And the best part is, the entire process can take just a few minutes. So let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. Okay guys, first of all, you will already have your CV and everything. For this example, we are going to use 2 sample CVs from Indeed.com. Basically, I have opened an administrative assistant example CV, and what we're going to do is search for an administrative assistant job and then rewrite these CVs and write a cover letter for that job. So here I have already searched for administrative assistant, and let me refresh it. As you can see, we already have so many positions open for this job. So let's open the first one and see what it is. Okay, so here we have every detail about the job. When you are going to apply for the job, you will see things like benefits and the description. That's what we are going to use. The summary, responsibilities, and requirements are the most important parts, because we are going to rewrite our resume according to these responsibilities and requirements. So we are going to copy all of these things and then use AI to rewrite our cover letter and resume for this job. Now we are going to come to ChatGPT, open a new chat, and here we are going to type this prompt. I will also put this prompt in the description below, so you guys won't have any problem. What we are going to say is, analyze the following job description as if you are an applicant tracking system recruitment tool. Extract and list the 20 most important keywords and skills, important tools, technologies or software mentioned, action words that describe the responsibilities, required experience signals, and measurable achievements the company seems to value. Then rank the keywords by importance for ATS ranking. Then we are going to copy and paste the job description here and hit enter. Now you can do this with any AI like Gemini, Claude, Google AI, or ChatGPT. I am using ChatGPT here, so it has analyzed the description and every detail about the job and gave me the 20 most important keywords and skills. It also listed the tools, action words used in responsibilities, required experience signals, and measurable achievements the company values, along with the ATS importance ranking. And here, it is also telling me that if a resume does not explicitly include these phrases, the ATS may reject it. So these things are very important. The next step is that we are going to rewrite our resume and cover letter based on these things we extracted from the job description. So we are going to use another prompt, and I will also post this in the description below. For the resume, we are going to copy that example resume. These two are samples, so let's copy the first one. Copy it, come back here, and paste it into the resume section. For the important keywords, we are going to copy all of these things and paste them into that section. So let me copy all of this information and paste it here. Now regarding the prompt, let me show it to you. You are an AI recruitment system evaluating candidates for this job. Your task is to rewrite and optimize my resume so that it ranks highly in an applicant tracking system and modern LLM-based recruitment systems. Instructions. Align the resume with important keywords from the job description. Preserve the truth of my experience. Do not invent information. This is very important. Rewrite bullet points to highlight measurable achievements. Use strong action words and ensure important tools and skills from the job description appear naturally. And so on. Then we hit enter. This is a very easy and straightforward process, and anyone can do this. Now first it tells us what it changed and why. For example, it added high-priority ATS keywords like executive administrative support, calendar management, expense reporting, and so on. If you have this degree, you may already know these terms, but many people forget to include them in their resume, so AI can add them properly. Secondly, it rewrote the bullet points with strong action words. Third, it highlighted measurable results. Fourth, it added relevant Microsoft tools like Outlook, Excel, Teams, Word, and PowerPoint. And finally, it improved the structure and readability. So here we now have the rewritten resume. The text in bold shows the highlighted keywords for the job, like administrative assistant with 3+ years of experience providing executive administrative support, and so on. Then we have core skills, professional experience with administrative assistant bullet points, customer service representative experience, education, certifications, and technical skills. So from a simple resume with just summary, experience, and certification, we now have a much more structured and optimized resume. This version is optimized for ATS systems. So if you apply for the job with this CV, the ATS system will likely prioritize it. And if the job also requires a cover letter, we can generate that as well. Just simply tell the AI to also write a cover letter for this job and hit enter. One more thing I forgot to mention. You can copy this resume and paste it into Canva to make it look more professional. Canva has many ready-made resume templates. Let me show you. Just search for resume template and you will see many templates here. Pick any one you like, click Customize this template, and then copy and paste the content. For example, copy the professional summary and paste it here. You can resize it and adjust everything. Then do the same for work experience, education, and skills. Just copy and paste the content into whichever template you like. Canva has hundreds of free templates, so that's not a problem. And as you can see, it has also created our cover letter. It starts with, "Dear Hiring Manager, I'm writing to express my interest," and continues from there. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is something everybody should do before applying for jobs. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your queries. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one, and bye-bye for now.